Wow. So I came to visit this lady. She's doing amazingly well. Charlie.
Thank you.
You more bohan on your kitwa. And I'm sure about the studios. Hey, no. Hey.
Anyhow you want to call it.
Because mostly we are content for how. It's in America studio. Yeah. But this is not a studio. Fashion day. What can I say? Fashion. Workplace, yeah. I know. We also a tailor and a fashion designer nowadays. Because I saw a video of you say, "Hey, who are they?"
Yeah.
Also a tailor.
Not every designer is a tailor. But let me say, every tailor is a designer.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
I understand.
It's now you're tailors. I'm a professional tailor and a designer.
Wow, Charlie, and then come be brave.
Hey.
So when I decided that I'm versatile because me I made my no I be shower about 10,000 times. This place is so nice and you are doing so well.
Thank
with
you.
With the way you are branding yourself on the internet.
Allah.
Because time be a TikTok, maybe a TikTok be a.
I be good.
Oh, true. TikTok, they are massive. Do you post that on other platforms?
Yeah, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah.
But those places, I don't think I see.
Mostly TikTok. I post everything.
Everything I see on your status, WhatsApp status. Make TikTok now. Yes, because Charlie, you are doing well. Most people are not so intentional about what they do. It's like most people they think so. Oh, Charlie. Maybe a quiet, but for some time now, it will ring a bell in people's ear. Say, Charlie, this lady, this is what she's doing. Yeah. This is what she does. Yeah. And you know, say normal nice in same way. Every time they are posting, they show you are posting, and it's like where you go and say, yeah, people will keep on knowing. Say, this lady, Obu Okwa won't patronize her for the meantime. Yeah. But as time goes on, they'll be like, oh, my man, so lady in here, a beer.
Sure.
Yeah. So you are doing massively well there.
Thank you.
Then I have motivation. I didn't know internet. So I'm not for patronizer from there now. Until they be our
Oh, not really about that, but me, I love my job. This job is my everything. Many options be
yeah. But when are clients from online thing?
Yeah.
So this is also like enhancing you to get people from that side. Yeah. That's why I think I also motivate you more post because who post it too now people don't click. As in people don't reach out after clicking, they don't reach out. So we challenge me person in the ocean via.
Oh, I don't feel bad. Yeah, I don't feel bad. I just keep posting. One day, someone will DM me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Very true. And with this space, Charlie, you're a business.
Anyhow you want it.
Because with this place and the machines here, Charlie, no boarding. I know so one of this machine no boarding. How are you able to sponsor yourself as
you know, kakra. Yeah, because I started with just one machine, you know, and even with that one, my parents helped me get that one machine.
And now you are having.
And now the rest, kakra from work and you know, yeah. And so started I did kakra.
You read there.
Yeah.
I know, but it's not easy. There are people I know say almost started for some time now, and they are not growing.
Yeah.
So what will you tell those people?
It depends. Business like this, no. When to me sorry once, not why a big. Ubia started from somewhere. You bit to send me you don't have any sponsor. You are doing everything on your own. No. I was saying kakra. Just keep posting. Phone no camera no clear. Just post it. Background need to. Just post your work. Because maybe starting here no, at that time I wasn't too active on TikTok, now IG. I was having just 4 to 5 followers. Even still, I want to and shut down doors because I wasn't active there. Now lady be DM me so pastor. Me if you DM me, I'll go on your page and check whether this person or your real answer say anything. Me check it lady on the page and I'm like, why would this person DM me?
Why?
Because the page no one say will be like or you rich and I say let me say the page no fair. What am I say? And I'm like,
see some good
yes,
content in the fashion sense,
yes,
everything is top notch.
yes, and I'm like, me with just 45 followers, no, that means the person trusts me and I said, or see the next day or beba, and pampa, or the guy you buy. Chalena, I was so happy till now. For let me say 2-3 years ago till now, they are still sewing from me.
Wow, that means you also did some good work for them.
Yeah, sure. So it's just keep posting. Maybe you post here, you not get that view, the likes, the comments, but just keep posting. One day never far.
I don't know how for people social media. That's how it works. Consistency. Now, no, be posting. People might not click.
Yeah.
Obi will also quite on. Obi so they will just ignore. No. But if you are so intentional about whatever you are doing, and then the whole of the year, obey you be a who so come here across. That means, oh Charlie, let me try this. There are people like that. My so
yeah.
It's good. And also normal opening effect. So there are a lot of people. And let's say one have me cry. Cinema why there. Metro man for what around you. Maybe a boom make it by maybe be out. Mrs. Sadia Ghana. How much because Charlie need an effect. The BF. Abi Goro. Why that name?
Why that name? That name Ache. Enye Jumanti na me dey di way by. Edim no na wo ho dada. Since class 5, you know, my young age.
Hey,
yes. So omo nyina me ni omo called GSA secondary school nyina. So if they remember there, they know say
Abi Goro. Wow. Any special meaning? Your name,
you know, me, I mean, Chantro, something sad that mean behind me. But the girl is not it's nice.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
From where you are saying, we've seen say WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X. So wow.
Yeah.
So there in a month for baby, I wish you wow. Because baby, I'm a fast. I'm a saman. You did a masterman. But baby, I'm a far. How Okada.
Yeah.
To this place, I was like, hey, wow. So
that's my place. All my clients know, Charlie, I appreciate them because I can't.
So, who social media?
Oh,
recommendation.
Yes, so me you know, and a social media account because and also I have to be active online because baby I be sharing one post here, every how.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Because this place,
one post here, no one will know you or no one will even see your work. So you just have to keep posting. As I say. Maybe they can choose not to post because they know definitely.
They'll showcase. Sound like a way you for we showcase you outside.
This a mere with it to honor.
And now if you are sending so to social media world, the internet. Papa now will be now internet, Bonnie will be now internet. So I do understand. Business building. Challenge is find a motivate you in business, doing business because hey, and you'll be a bit me I manage business or
Oh, let me say my boss.
Your boss.
Yes, me Mr. Dinipa. Oh, the boss say.
Needing design.
Some rich.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Such a nice guy.
Oh no, or anytime when we say, say Juma and I say where we were tired in we and I say we can be in a better key video, say nice better I post it on WhatsApp saying. Me say so me my Juma name na say me who say we posting my work no. I download it and I post it. What am I say? Sometimes you just have to use your mind. and you're being a better chill. You have to be smart. In so your videos are na say meet na me pamia. I download that video. No, my post it. I don't hide it from him only. So say my post it. Because sometimes when I post it on IG, I tag him and it's on him. And also they helping me. And my people know say I was under him.
And also you are doing some great work. It's no matter
interested to bring. It's almost trusting it.
Do you know I have a friend? Just was it a Wednesday no? I not contacting me, or was it Thursday? I not contacting me say. And also a Pam no man say she's also very good. Oh come say. And also Charlie, me person who assisting me with my social media platform. Okay, so I'm say Charlie. I wish submit me assist too. Me I may build me home on the media. I know say she watch it. Me catch and say me I may build me home. It's not easy. Even those people at the top. Someone like me obi a mentor. Mr. Beast. He's an American guy. He's having more than 500 million followers on YouTube. Yeah. But this guy, SR wish she said obe cross that 1 billion. So we are also aiming to raid that place. Yeah. So I cannot stop Meme there entirely. To come and do yours. Because me person means to me grow. And you cannot penny to me for an inch at what when you know about say. And it's true. So me to me and me do the become the maybe when I may play wiki. Me post here, I will not do stuff I have to do like I do. Say once a while been a me post here, I'm out there, it's fine.
Yeah.
So I told her and she was like, oh okay. But I advised her say now Siko Benya Obi say managers or more manage social media platforms. And I'm saying no, the best person that can do this work or no.
Yeah.
But my conscience I will assist her, I will help her to do that. Content ideas. When you send you video, man, the copy or link give you this and I tell you, maybe I can show it to you here on WhatsApp. I can show it to you here on WhatsApp. Me send the man on, she was like, oh wow, oh a few, my name disappearing. But meet me a friend because she should say it. So me send a link to it. Say, on share this format, non-funny. So at least, but my more than a mentor will be yes, because of how you post often. Yeah. My more than it will be or show content, so to also do this. Yeah. I'm trying to see some messages and they will WhatsApp. Who's mostly about how do you call it? TikTok on them. May has many message, you know, say reflected. You might think I'm lying. Abiguru. What's that?
Yeah.
That's it. I'm not talking about it. This you might think I'm lying. That's not talking about the year into number. Abiguru, Naini, and my send their money panel.
You have to put.
Yeah, so now, Ottawa, she'll be learning from whatever you do on the internet. Yeah. And also, she wants to be present there. Or person for feeling the presence of media and also.
Always saying it helps. Ever say, post here. Who on the panadry? I always say the moment I see your video now, what about my dream? Exactly. You know that. Exactly. That's how the thing is. Exactly. One post here, me real crab free say, hey, I see me see we walk. But the moment you post it,
yeah, what about my dream?
That's it.
Who say me who WhatsApp status? Meko
TikTok
now. So I was like, wow.
I post on
you are even doing well than me because there are some videos that made me post on TikTok. WhatsApp it's just there.
It's just there.
So even we are learning from you also. Oh, true.
Oh, it's WhatsApp no.
Just a few people.
And then it's just 24 hours. Just even some people they post for some hours and then delete it. I don't know why they do that.
Obi just few minutes.
And yet time be na posting na obeba be share. Obi maybe late night ka obeda before say obe miami on the phone so into who post and answer all delete here. Ni pa he na share. I don't delete post. Me post I be why no anga say
nko.
And mostly I post on social media before WhatsApp. Yes. Unless some videos I feel like, oh, video with the whole here, I just want my WhatsApp.
I didn't know, sir. And that's what people bet me a copy up with stage and I said, why do you do it that way?
Yeah, me saying, yeah. Oh, you know, some videos for her, it's not even about my work. Because social media, yeah, it's about my work. Means me posting something that who is said that here my business not me posting no.
So the focus everything is work.
It's work. Social media is about my work. Work now. In the honor so and you be a post now me share honor. You can see some people will DM me post my work for me no. Way a brand na me building.
People contact you.
Yes, like please post my work for me. I'll post my business. It can be any other thing and not even about fashion. But no. First, what can I say? First. I used to post my post with that. I used to that time no. Now the page is for everyone.
Yes,
but now it's for the goal. It's a brand. Into me.
Video behind I'll bet me post it. No, it's a brand.
It's a brand.
I get it.
Who ye brand am obi about page a who say who ye tailor who ye musician who ye this who makes it up nipa no trust you be like na won kwa adwuma he na who ye
you are just trying to survive.
It's you have to let them trust you by posting just your work, your business.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know people are listening. Some before they are. Oh, true. Because this thing now you are sharing with us, business first.
Business first.
Business in the discover. Scanner in the cheese. A dream chasers. Money.
I was saying when taking it serious.
Wow. So at that time, sir, what's I say? I did. In my thing, as in social media, because me I've been posting for some time now.
Yeah.
Thought I'll be posting back up. Sometimes you posting low views. Yeah. Oh, not just like what to me be say
I feel bad sometimes.
You feel bad.
Sometimes me pump some design be an
you didn't say yes.
I was say a no bone I was say no. Usha and no enko. I feel pain because one design no me meaning say ma take it time pa edi ya di we pa I was say in go for bebre omo but nah it's not like that. Ne who here na I'm like oh God why? Because we a who here and say enkosa. But you know social media.
But you know on social TikTok and Facebook and I think IG cry. You can post content and what posted there. Unlike YouTube. Sound quiet. What YouTube say no? I've posted on YouTube a video on YouTube before. Me posting there shorts and co. But what I did was I deleted it. I reposted it some other time. Also sometimes I algorithm no. Time ne a year they posting in a factor.
Yeah, it also count.
There are times we posting and you run like your Ghana has it. I'm out further 12 a.m. What posting? I'm out further. So Obian shot na push you.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are times me delete me post here but on Facebook ne other places TikTok ne there post now you can wait for some other time also post that same content like they have no issues with that. Unlike YouTube on better say like also YouTube is money mostly. Me say I've monetized my channel now post your fans content in biane the way fa post content we never fire ko algorithm that push it. You might think say actually wait for you. Other than means I'm pussy and one. They've thought of it. Some people can be doing that.
Yeah.
One content and I'm saying call now when you you can and one then you be people be watching so I'm more the straight so sometimes it happens you can just post again and a better
I have to start doing that.
Yes.
Me, I don't repost.
A bit so not just repost keke. Once a bit videos now are posting most of them. Sometimes you sit down, you cut them.
Now I edit it.
Edia shishim with and now post it at Aruya. It's now ebia obe post we at the chill post we. It did some long time need now or phone so. Not need now post you. You cut some pieces na what yes rearrange na reflect kobani allo yibi ni namu that's it. Just for people to see so yeah. Because sometimes you depend on one post affected. It will because what post I did now person call
oh I don't me feeling bad but
you don't give up.
I mean we move.
Charlie, you are serious.
We move.
You are serious.
We move.
You are serious. Because some of us cried. I know maybe share story. The cousin oh yeah so he was telling me so on the content kono by now were blue.
Sure.
The whole world the hunum. Now the way I me share content then they blah 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 he said a lot of stories and I was like hey Charlie look how say easy. It's not easy like that. So no what na no creating the content you want to share link man me follow me subscribe. You know funny thing as I me continue funny thing they say oh yeah content as a business person as a content creator as a whatever I will post the content. You know say family and friends cry and follow more than outsiders.
That one yeah. Now family they will
oh content na say blah blah. On go follow. On show video, on like it. Because on like a video now you know. This person will follow me or like
you know. Mostly people you know one-on-one, they will never like you.
They will never like. Outsiders, people you don't know, strangers will promote you and help you grow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and also so this cousin or could be in YouTube channel okay yes also be India na breakfast and some day and you be na o post it. Can you believe say oh yeah no or share to all the list obi a lot of people in this yeah DM or share on social media baby we na views for so long a movie I'm past 5 and you know what funny thing actually now Mkopisa some months later Mkopisa said actually half our video na course in the channel no me bisa na say ni only bisa the channel name the grand ref na bemo from the one oh true video wa ko pe no post na amfa wa share ma wonim say ma share ma obi a ka say omo behwe no omo ahwe na bemo bu o kan ni din no bu
me I don't even do that. Say me post adi me share I don't never me yes I didn't know that.
At first I used to do that
me yes I didn't know that. I am imagine say me share and I say oh post for me never. I just feel like nipa no obey
exactly
and you know obey that 8 years ago no I used to post in microphone. They don't tell me to do it. Me who na some feel that's where the musicians no that time now me posting different
you and this the cry Charlie
you know
the cry the part
obi on name no be feel say I feel no but me sadia no long time say no one say now I don't post his words like that because they say no and on so me sure man can't about me sure some so timas say I'm doing my own thing it's me posting like how I used to do every day like I remember
I remember certain
now me and that time so any been a relative said do it me follow be na say me say ni power or yeah idea massa I'll just take your video and then post it.
Just like social media platforms, as you say, you can do repost, TikTok, content,
even
content, even Facebook, you can share people for others to see. So sometimes what you are saying is very true, and even WhatsApp from the say
you can repost,
you can reshare, so so obesha
and fina me some people they come in my DM and then please post for me the moment you can me I'll just go to your page and like and this thing me it's a merry poster. I just want to do things on my own. I just don't like to be catch them in me and that's me in pen because I don't tell people they post for me I don't do that into the DM and I hear me say nah, me support you. And you won't be forcing me say me support you.
It's very true. I realized it some time ago. Now me quite the number share more. Say not just to repost or something, but watch, like, comment.
Yeah.
But put for so long. Now me tell you for so long. So one time me share guy be just as you are saying. Me share no hygiene no casino. That's not the best. Those people we don't do no.
They will not do it.
And it's true.
You.
They will not support you.
Just put it there.
So from there, no, I'm saying nah or not. So maybe you know be a content and yeah, I want the person to be aware of my area. So also because the person is in also share or something.
But say, on the social media sometimes will be a WhatsApp no. You're posting celebrities ni anything funny or anything. Omo na muka say you post ana. Omo anka but yeah. So why will your friend force you to? No.
When him say I have a cousin doing so also. I'm not your friend. And I can be your friend. He was telling me, hey, I don't see what you are doing. No, hey, man, a bear man just said, what blue na me the guy said, me cousin. Can you believe said me kai the last time me who the comment and I saw liking the videos. True. Me who just no now person me blue no. Me who na say. So it's like that too.